Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Fujifilm X-T50 with the Fujifilm X-S20, and I'm going to show you the important things you need to know. So sensor is better for 50, then you have different ICR range. You have 125 to 1280 comparing to 160 comparing to 1280, so this is another difference. Then S20 got better fully articulated screen. Also, the continuous shooting speed is better for S20. Then the Fujifilm S20 got 6.2K video resolution, better high-speed video, and wireless is built in both. So when we can look here on some important things, so the Fujifilm X-T50 got better sensor resolution, better shutter, and better weight. On the other hand, the X-S20 got product showcase mode, external cooling fan, crop at 4K, better battery life, a lot better battery life, flash coverage, sensor pixel area, and selfie vlogger LCD. And that's it. Have a great day and goodbye.